Welcome back, everybody. It's Doyle here from Premier RV in Bluegrass, Iowa, and we got a special one for you today. It's the brand new 2024 KZ Connect C302RBK. This is a brand new floor plan from KZ, and as you can see, it's got the upgraded Connect graphics. It's got an outdoor kitchen, a rear bath, and king bed is standard. This one's awesome, so let's dive right into it. As you walk in, you'll notice the beautiful modern furnishings and elegant touches that really elevate the overall ambiance. This RV comes equipped with top-notch amenities, including a fully equipped kitchen with stainless steel appliances, ample storage space, and a large cozy dinette where you can enjoy delicious meals or game nights. And it's even got some storage underneath with these awesome bins. The dinette also can be formed into a bed that can comfortably sleep up to 2 people. Cozy theater seating, which is vibrating and heating and reclining. Cup holders, USB ports and outlets all around. Right across that is the entertainment center with the flat screen TV, sound system, and fireplace. Another awesome addition is right at the front. Large walk-in closet, 4 hangers total, and shelving. Easily put your coats there without dragging mud throughout the entire RV. Now for the main feature is the rear bath. Super spacious. Double mirrors, double sink, large shower with the skylight. Bathroom is super spacious. You can step right out of that shower and not be cramped while you're getting ready in the morning. You got 2 sinks and 2 mirrors to get the most out of your morning experience. Another awesome addition is that the washer dryer hookup is right in here. A lot of times, typically, it's going to be in the bedroom, giving you not that much space to fold all your clothing. Having it right here allows you that flexibility. And if you don't use it as that, you can use it as a shirt closet, and it's got more shelving underneath. Now, as you walk from the bathroom through the living area, you'll head right into the master bedroom, equipped with a king bed, another flat screen TV, and tons of storage, dressers, and cabinets, and 2 awesome reading lights, which is a great addition. 2 little shelves for your electronics, and some outlets. Right up at the front, in addition to this mirror, you have this little walk-in closet. Tons of storage space, shelving, and you even got outlets right back there. And you can hang shirts right up there. It's got beautiful vinyl flooring, which is going to make it kid and pet friendly. And not just one AC in the living area, but you have another one in the bedroom to keep you cool wherever you are. Now let's take a look at the exterior. What truly sets this one apart, besides its amazing updated graphics, is its exceptional construction. KZ has employed top-of-the-line materials and cutting-edge techniques to ensure this RV stands the test of time. One standout feature is the use of Azdel composite panels in the sidewalls. This material is not only lighter, but also more durable than traditional wood. It's also resistant to rot, mold, and delamination, ensuring your RV remains in excellent condition for years to come. The roof is constructed with a one-piece seamless PVC material, which provides superior protection against leaks and water damage. It's clear that KZ has prioritized the longevity and reliability of this RV, making it a smart investment for any camping enthusiast. The exterior storage compartments are spacious, making it easy to bring along all of your camping essentials without feeling cramped inside. It's evident that KZ has paid meticulous attention to detail in crafting the exterior of this RV, making it both functional and aesthetically pleasing. Outdoor kitchen comes equipped with a mini fridge and a griddle. Great part about this one, a lot of complaints we hear, you don't have to flip the top over just to store it. You don't have to touch it when it's hot. It slides right in and out. Overall, this is a great option if you're looking for a couple's travel trailer with tons of space and storage that's not going to break the bank. It's got a huge rear bath, spacious living area, and master bedroom with a king bed and walk-in closet. We've got this one at a great price right now, so come check out our website, premierrv.com, or come check us out in person in Bluegrass, Iowa, and make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, as I'm going to have even more 2024 videos coming out soon. Thanks for watching, everybody, and as always, happy camping.